5:15 and 20:60 on the velocity time graph of its motion. Calculate A. Take the mic.
4 meters per second square.
4 meters per second square is a good try, but not the real answer. Check your calculations properly.
0.4 meters per second.
0.4
meters per second square.
You are now far away from the answer. You were very close initially, yes?
3 meters per second square.
Excellent. Give them 1 point. 3 meters per second square. C4, 1 point. C4 again. An orange fruit drops to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters tall. How long does it take to reach the ground? Assuming that acceleration due to gravity is 10 meters per second square. An orange fruit drops to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters tall. How long does it take to reach the ground, assuming that acceleration due to gravity is 10 meters per second square? Check the mic.
30 meters per second square.
You missed it. Check your calculations properly.
You asked how long?
Sorry, be careful.
6.7 seconds.
You missed it. Give us
3 seconds.
3 seconds is right. 1 point to St. Peter's. How long is 3 seconds? St. Peter's, Fanta Orange. In an experiment, a filtrate was added to BaCl2, that is barium chloride, and dilute HCl, dilute hydrochloric acid. It was observed that a white precipitate formed soluble in dilute HCl. What could be your inference from this? In an experiment, a filtrate was added to BaCl2 and dilute HCl. The observation was that a white precipitate was formed insoluble dilute HCl. What could be your inference from this?
Okay. CO3 minus anion.
No, not CO3. You missed it. Try again. Try again. It's not CO3 minus. Your time is up. Fanta Strawberry, give us the answer.
SO4 minus.
SO?
4
SO4.
2 minus.
No, not
SO4 2 minus.
No, you missed it. The floor? Excellent. Clap for him. From St. Peter's, SO3 2 minus. C4, if filtrate is added to NaOH in drops and excess, no visible reaction was formed. What could be your inference?
5% of ammonia from a cation ion called ammonium ion.
That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Give them 2 points. Give them 2 points. Potassium ion, sodium ion, or ammonium ion is suspected. So hence they have mentioned. We accept their answers. Okay, this goes to St. Peter's. Which of the following is not involved in the carbon cycle? A, burning, B, decay, C, transpiration, and D, respiration. Which of the following is not involved in the carbon cycle? A, burning, B, decay, C, transpiration, and D, respiration.
Transpiration.
Excellent. Give them 2 points. Strawberry, Fanta Strawberry. Changes in energy flow between organisms in a habitat can be represented by A, a pyramid of biomass, B, pyramid of numbers, C, pyramid of energy, and D, food chain.
Pyramid of energy.
You missed it. Fanta Orange. Changes in energy flow between organisms in a habitat can be represented by A pyramid of biomass, B, pyramid of numbers, C, pyramid of energy, and D, food chain.
Pyramid of biomass.
Excellent. Give them 1 point. We move to the Gambega section quickly once again. What is the margin of one Coca-Cola bottle crate? What is the margin of one Coca-Cola bottle crate? If I say margin, here I'm referring to the profit, right? What is the margin of one Coca-Cola bottle crate?
$45.
That's correct. Give them 2 points. And C4, the Coca-Cola long bottles have more liquid content than the short splash bottles. True or false?
False.
Excellent. Give them 2 points. So we allow Madam to compile those scores.
In round 3, C4 scored 7 points and St. Peter's scored 8 points. So the cumulative totals are 17 points for C4 and 28 points for St. Peter's Senior Secondary.
Thank you very much. Now we move to the last round of the competition. And this question goes to C4 Senior Secondary School, Fanta Strawberry. A pilot flew to Newark and back. The average speed going was 220 miles per hour. The average speed returning was 480 miles per hour. Find the distance to Newark if the total flying time was 5 hours. A pilot flew to Newark and back. The average speed going was 220 miles per hour. The average speed returning was 480 miles per hour. Find the distance to Newark if the total flying time was 5 hours. Yes?
700 meters.
Meters? I didn't say meters. I said miles per hour.
It's 700 miles per
700
miles.
miles. You missed it. That's a good try, but check your calculations. Yeah?
506 miles.
506 miles. You missed it. Yes, Fanta Orange, give us the answer.
875 miles.
875 miles. You are close, but that's not the right answer. Yes, the floor? The floor, please. Anybody else? Give us the answer.
1,300 miles.
A bit far. Last attempt from the floor, yes?
3,500 miles.
That's too much. Yes. Yes, I think I will allow her, yes. Give her the mic, please.
1,750 miles.
Oh, good try, but that's not the right answer. You said it should be 960 miles, 960 miles. A car and a bus, that's your question. A car and a bus set out at 3 p.m. from the same point, headed in the same direction. The average speed of the car is twice the average speed of the bus. In 2 hours, the car is 68 miles ahead of the bus. Find the rate of the car. A car and a bus set out at 3 p.m. from the same point, headed in the same direction. The average speed of the car is twice the average speed of the bus. In 2 hours, the car is